Reportedly Steve Bannon has called Paul Ryan a limp D-word, mother F-word who was born in a petri dish at the Heritage Foundation. Bloomberg Businessweek reporter Joshua Green wrote saying that his comment on the House Speaker was made during spring of 2016 when the odds of Donald Trump becoming the GOP presidential nominee, and that came as a surprise as well as concern of establishment Republicans. Apparently some have had the idea of the House Speaker to be an alternative, if the convention of the party would become contested. He wrote that one fleetingly popular scenario to stop Trump from becoming the nominee was for GOP delegates to coalesce around a white knight alternative at the party convention in July. Also, according to him, these developments sent Bannon into a panic of his own and he plotting an all-out war to stop Ryan, of whom he was both fearful and dismissive, sometimes within the same sentence.